In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sumproduct function. The Sumproduct function returns the sum of the product of two or more arrays. So basically what it does is it multiplies the numbers of two or more arrays, then add them up together. Usually, we use the Sumproduct function to help calculate the weighted average of something or to calculate the total number of something. Here, let's look at an example. Here we have student A's score in history class. We have all the assignment and exams, we have all the scores, and we have all the weights. In this case, if we simply use the average function to calculate the average point, it gives us an 89 points, which put this student's grade into B range. That's not what we want, because we also want to take the weight into account, which means we have to calculate the weighted average score of student A in this class. So what we want to do here is we do equal Sumproduct, and then we select all the scores, and then we select all the weights we want to include. Press enter. So now we know that the weighted average score of student A in history class is 90.1 point, which put this student's grade into A range. Let's look at another example. This is player A. These are the seasons that he played in, the team, how many games he played, and how many minutes per game he played, and the average points per game. Let's look at the questions. So the first question, how many points did player A score from 2009-2010 season to 2022-2023 season? In this case, we want to use the Sumproduct function to calculate the total number. So what we want to do here is we do equal Sumproduct. We want to take all the games that this player played, and then we also want to take the average points per game this player scored. Now we know that this player scored 21,726 points during this period of time. Second question, on average, how many minutes did player A play for from the 2009-2010 season to the 2022-2023 season? In this case, what we want to do here is we want to do equal Sumproduct. We take all the games that this player played, and then we take all the minutes that this player played. That will give us a total number of the minutes that he played, but that's not an average. So what we want to do here is we want to add another function called sum. So we use this Sumproduct and divide it by the sum of how many games of this player already played. That gives us a 34.4 minutes played by this player. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.